Today we're going to continue our understanding of balances. In this one, we have a balance, so a big balance with two smaller balances. And I have what I'm going to call the yellow side, and I have what I'll call the green side. And I can see on my yellow side that each of my left and right sides must be equivalent. And I can see on my green side that my left and my right side must be equivalent. I'm going to start with the yellow balanced part. And when I look, I can see that both my left and my right side have at least two squares. They both have two squares. That means I can remove two squares from each side. Removing two squares from each side leaves me with one blue square on the left and a value of 5 on the right. That means that one blue square is equal to 5. With my green balance on the right side, I can see that both sides of my balance have at least 3 triangles. That means I can take away 3 triangles. I can't remove more because the right side only has 3. When I remove the 3 triangles, I end up with a balance of 2 triangles left on my left side and a value of 6 on my right side. Since 2 triangles equal 6, one triangle must equal 3. If I want to check that my values are correct, I can go back up to my original balance and I can substitute in my values. So I can see that my squares are each 5. That gives me a total of 15 on the left and a total of 15 on the right. Together, that gives me a total value of 30 for the left side of the balance. With my green balance, I know each triangle is 3. That gives me a total of 15. And on the right side, each triangle is 3, which also gives me a total of 15. Together, that's a value of 30. So for my big balance, my left side is 30 and my right side is 30. That means in total, my balance has a mass of 60.